Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to discussion with you some techniques for improving our communication skill. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment, your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. Without your supporting, I can't do anything. So please motivate me. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to improve our communication skill. Actually, I have some techniques for improving our communication skill. Even I don't have any environment and any person with whom I can speak English. First of all, I would like to tell you, you have to decide. Okay, because when you start speaking English, so that time you will need lots of patience. Okay, patience is very necessary when you start speaking English. So first of all, you have to decide, because you want to be perfect in English. So another thing, I have been using that way for long times. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you. First of all, you should watch English video more. Okay, listening power is very important. Without listening, we can't speak English. So listening power is very necessary. If you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So listening power is very important. You should listen English video daily within 20-50 minutes. Okay, and after that you can start. Okay, even speaking English is very important. Without speaking, I can't do express anything. So speaking power is very important. Actually, when you perfect in listening, after that you can start speaking. So that times you should speak small English sentence. Okay, I am not telling, because you can start try to speak advanced English sentence. Not at all. You can speak simple English sentence. Only try to speak English. Only try to express yourself. Okay, if you don't have any environment, if you don't have any person, don't worry. You can start with yourself. You can start with yourself in front of mirror. I think this way is very superb. This way is very amazing for improving our communication skill. First of all, you should try to listen English video, because there are so many video are available on YouTube. You can try to watch English video more. So after that you can start speaking English. So now it's question rise, how to improve, how to start speaking English. Actually, you can start with yourself, I said before, and practice, daily practice. Okay, practice is very necessary if you want to get anything. Okay, you should have the practice. Without practice, I can't do anything. Practice is very necessary. When you are alone at your home, so that time you have the practice with yourself. You can have practice with yourself. Okay, you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. Nobody you have judge to you. Okay, nobody have you to judge anything, because you are making the wrong, you are making the wrong sentence, you are going to wrong. You can judge to yourself. Okay, when you are speak with yourself, at that time you feel something like this, because this times I am making the wrong, so that time you can correct, and after that I think this way is very important, this way is very, I think acceptable for improving our mistake. I think you can use this way. And another way, you don't care another thing, only try to speak English because you want to be perfect in English, you want to be fluent in English. Don't care. Sometimes I think because when I start speaking English in front of other people, so that people making the mock. Okay, don't worry, only try to speak English. If you want to improve your communication skill, you want to be succeed, so without hesitation, without thinking, without anything, you can try to speak. Okay, if you don't have any environment, if you don't want to talk with other person, you can try with your family member. Okay, family member. And when you go to market, when you go to another side, so that time you can start. That's how, okay, that's how you can start speaking English. Otherwise you keep having lots of hesitations and confusion. Okay, so please don't care another things, only try to speak English if you want to be perfect English. And hard work is very necessary. You have to hard work if you want to be perfect English. You have to put of effort towards improving English. So please don't another thing, have the practice and hard work a lot, hard work more. So that's it. Okay, in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.